Hey there, how's it going? Would you like to know how to unlock US Cellular phone? If that question is in your mind, don't worry, because I want to show you how you can do it only by using this online tool called SafeUnlocks.com. Meaning, there is no need to download any type of software, there is no need to have a special computer or device. All you need is a browser and an internet connection plus 5 minutes of your time. So it's really easy. So go to SafeUnlocks first, go over to services and click on the carrier unlock tool. Great, so you can see unlock your mobile device from any carrier in any country. Now you have to give out this information. It's super easy. It's super easy to fill, so don't worry. Now I have to enter my name first and then proceed with my email. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright, now I have to select the device model I want to unlock. So, for the purpose of this video, I brought this Samsung device. It's a pretty common device when it comes to prepaid carriers. It's a Samsung device, and I'm gonna show you that it's locked. So, I got this SIM card over here. It's from a local provider, and I'm gonna show you that simply it doesn't work. So, let's put it on, and I'm gonna show you. As you can see, it says not network connection and emergency calls only. I'm gonna show you just in a sec. You can see not network connection, so it simply doesn't work. Emergency calls, it tried to pick up some signal, but simply it's not gonna work because the phone is again locked. So, alright, now I have to select the device model I want to unlock. They have a great variety of devices that you can unlock using this tool. So I can, well, for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna use this Samsung device, and I have to enter the IMEI number. This is really simple to get, so this works on any device, so don't worry about that. Go to your Keep app on your device and type the following. Alrighty, so you can see I got my IMEI number right here, and I got it again on the form. So let's go ahead and enter that same IMEI number onto the form. Alright, great. Make sure you have all the information correct, because this is gonna be super important step for this process. Once you review all your info, click on I accept the $1 fee to sign up and unlock my device and click on proceed. Great, now we're on the order ID page. So this is you need for your device, and you have to obtain a membership ID. This is a really simple process, and if you're having any trouble, I recommend you to go here, scroll down a little bit where it says need help. They have this awesome tutorial. They show you in only a minute what you gotta do for the membership ID process. I'm just gonna show you a little part of it. I'm not a robot, and continue to sign up. Over here I can see the sign up button. You know exactly what to do. Watch the video below and see you in just a second. Great guys, I just completed doing the membership ID process. Now I have to go to my email, and I have your network unlock for your Samsung device is ready. This is really good, but now I have to wait for your membership ID. Okay, great. Membership ID verified. So let's open this email. Hey Nick, thank you for using SafeUnlocks. Your membership ID has been verified. Please use it on the order page to get started. So you can see right here, I got this ID. So I'm gonna copy this ID and go to the order page. So you can see enter here to continue. And I'm gonna, of course, paste it here. And as you can see, I got the start order button available here, and I'm just gonna click it. Great, your order is now in progress. So go back to your email, go to your inbox, and now we have to wait for the confirmation that this phone is indeed unlocked now. Great guys, device is fully unlocked from the carrier. So let's open this. Thank you for using SafeUnlocks. Your device identified with the IMEI. The IMEI I just entered from the device I want to unlock. Well, I wanted to unlock because now it's unlocked thanks to SafeUnlocks. Has been fully unloaded. unlock from the provider. This is a full unlock and will allow you to use any provider worldwide. This is great news, guys. I got my Samsung device ready here, and I'm gonna show you again. I got the same SIM card, and I'm just gonna put it back onto my device, and I'm gonna show you that now it's fully working. As you can see, it shows the local provider here, Movistar. It was really easy to do. And remember, guys, if you wanna do it, go to SafeUnlocks.com. They are the #1 app on unlocking devices. So what are you waiting for? See you again next week.